Hello guys, good morning and welcome back to the channel. Our journey today will begins in this hidden gem of a gift shop. It is overloaded with lots of items, potteries, painting, accessories, and I would really like you to check out all these chess pieces made from stone pieces. Let's proceed on with the agenda for this video today. We will be searching for ancient Egyptian relic that's over 3,500 years old. We have to do it by the sunset, if not, we will deem as we lost the challenge. And to do it, we have to avoid the chaos of the trams at Istanbul. We need to avoid the crowds and even avoid the food temptation. When we reach our goal, keep watching to find out. Alright, so to start our journey, I have done my research and we need to reach Sultanahmet Square first. The ancient relic that we are searching for should be at that area somewhere. Now we are crossing by lots of busy streets and there's lots of good restaurants and food nearby. The food temptation is strong, but we gotta keep to our goal. Let's keep walking to our goal. As we are walking on the track of the tram, there's something that caught my eye that I must show you. This is the column of the Constantine. This ancient pillar is over 1,700 years old. It was built to celebrate Istanbul being the capital of the Roman Empire. They call it the Burm column because it survived fire and it leveled the entire city. But right now, this is not even the oldest thing we'll be seeing today, not even close. Let's keep going. And yes, we finally made it. This is the Sultanahmet Square. Back in the year of 200, it was the Hippodrome. It's the central of the world for chariot racing. It's like F1 in the modern days, but with horse and death. We are facing the wall of obelisks. It is the first treasure we'll be looking at this square that we are seeking for, originally built to symbolize Roman power. This square, we will be looking for 4 treasures and we just go through the first one. Now heading to the second one. It's called the Serpent column, but it's melted down already. It used to have 3 snake heads. Now it's just the remaining of the coin. The third and the treasure that we are here for, the obelisk of Theodosius. Standing at 3,500 years, its age is so old that it's older than the Empire of Rome. And back in the day is where humans used to worship the Egyptian god. Moving on to the last treasure is this German fountain. It's used to celebrate the friendship between German and Ottoman Empire back in the 19th centuries. So the great news is we have achieved the agenda for the video. We have succeeded in the challenge. But there's more to it. There's 2 more places of interest. The Blue Mosque and this is a tomb for the princess. These 2 buildings are still pretty interesting to look at, where lots of tourists are taking videos and photos. So it will be the same for me. I just want to check it out. And let's move on to the next place. Right now, the day is turning dark and I'm hungry. That's definite. I've been walking for hours already to achieve our agenda. So I will be seeking for dinner. But nope, it will not be in the video. It will be another video for food and vibes. But for now, let's check out the streets as we proceed on to search for food. We are now at a street that's literally full of restaurants and food. Lots of flavors is flying in the air. But no, there's this particular restaurant that we are thinking to visit, and it's this. Look at this. They have a whole lamp lake spinning over fire, and they are also making Turkish flatbread right in front of you. This is gonna be really good. Thinking back, this whole lamp is bigger than my whole body. How long do you think it will take me to eat it? If I'm gonna finish the whole thing, probably another 1 to 2 more weeks. And finally, it's time for me to make my way back to my hotel. I'm going to cross the Golden Horn, and right now I will be boarding a tram, local tram, to cross it. It's definitely a new experience to me as I've never bought this tram before, and it was cool, much faster than any car or taxi can offer. The night vibe and the sceneries is great. We'll be crossing the waters and finally hit my stations. Comparing to the walks that I had in the morning versus the tram that we had right now in the evening, it feels like a summary of what we had done today. This little bit of travel time is finally a good timing for me to have a good rest. Looking back at today's adventure was definitely fun. We hit our agenda. We have managed to find the ancient landmark by sunset. Lots of great sceneries along the way. It was a good vibe. So don't forget to subscribe to Jay's Journey for more travel videos and more adventures.